Hi everyone, let's install the JioThings app. Go to the Play Store, search for JioThings. As you see, as you search, you will get this JioThing app with the white background and the blue star kind of a thing. So let's install it. It's about 18 MB. After installing, please open it. And it appears like this. Then it says JioThings welcomes you. With JioThings, stay connected to JioThings all the time, every time. So introducing AI JioTag and JioMotive, just a promotion of their products. So as a welcome, you have to type in your email ID, phone number and email ID, and you get logged in after that. And in that you can just add on, like I can say, all the instructions given there. So let's add the product. So this is like I am Alana, the virtual assistant of JioThings app. So after that you have to allow everything and allow your location. So location permission settings, you can allow it. And then next day ask about the battery optimization settings. So we'll next do is click this add new product. So for its permissions, add new. So it will show JioTag, JioMotive or JioBook. So we can choose the JioTag. After that you have to keep your Bluetooth on of your mobile. So you can just click this enable button here to turn on your phone's Bluetooth, and then enable your location. Already we have given, so again the second time it asks the permission. So let's enable it. Now after enabling the location, so you have to long press the JioTag to turn it on. There will be a button on the JioTag to press it on, and you have to keep it little close to your phone. Then it will keep search for the JioTag. So when it searches like this. So when it's in searching mode, so it will show the devices around, and we just click the plus sign and add it on this. So JioTag is connected, and we can rename. There are few presets like key, wallet, laptop, shoes, pet, dog, etc. Pet, purse, luggage, camera, and others. So I am just naming this as the car JioTag Air. So it successfully be added. So next it will show the present location of the JioTag, and you can click into it, and you can see all the battery indicator, all the things. So there are few settings disable, gives a alert, so we can just enable or do everything in that based on this thing. So all the settings you can be reset, and we can this is the way to JioTag is ready.